In this AlignMix how-to video, you will learn how to use the thematic maps that are found in AlignMix. To access the thematic maps, there's actually two ways. You can open up a new tab by clicking on this plus button here in the top left, selecting thematics on the left, and you'll have these four options to choose from. The second way to access the thematic maps is from your home menu. You click here on Add View, select thematics, and then you'll have the four options to choose from. Both of these methods will take you to the exact same place. So first, let's start with the over-under thematic map. As soon as you click that, you will see the thematic map appears on your screen. In this view, we are able to see which territories are above or below a set threshold. By default, it is set to 15%, as you can see here. This is also where you can change that percentage. So if you wanted to be 20%, 25, or 5, you would make those changes here. You can also change the colors of the high and low territories. So just from this view, you can see that we have several white territories that are within our range, blue territories are below our threshold, and red territories are too high. If you've created a sales territory index, that will be the default dataset that is used for this thematic map. You can select any dataset that you've created or imported in AlignMix by clicking on this drop-down menu here and choosing a different dataset. So let's just leave it as the territory index for now. So keeping with the index, you can see here that all of our territories are colored differently. Any territory that is white is an ideal balanced sales territory. Territories that are red are too high in index, and you need to move that excess to the territories that are blue. Ideally, at the end of your territory redesign project, all of your territories would appear as white on this map, and you wouldn't have any red or blue outliers. So let's go ahead and open up a different thematic map. This time, let's click on the plus button here, and let's choose the thematic zip code map. And here we will see all of our data mapped thematically at the zip code level. And again, it will default to showing you the index as that data set. Clicking on this drop-down menu here, I will select sales, and now you can see each zip code is colored in to match the legend here in the top right for sales. We can customize those categories even further by clicking on the Custom Categories button here in the top. We can add additional buckets, and we can change individual colors for these buckets. So if we change this one bucket here, click OK and OK, you can see that the green zip codes match the bucket here on the right. You can also change all the colors all at once using these color palettes here, and using this drop-down menu, you have other options as well. So we can select this final option where every single zip code is colored in to match a different range of data. So now let's click here on Home and open up another thematic map. And this time we will do the thematic territory map. And this map works exactly the same way as the zip code thematic map, but this time it is at the territory level. So each territory is colored in to match a bucket here in your legend. And again, you can use this drop-down menu to select a different data set, and it will automatically change on the map to match that data set. And now let's open up another tab and view our final thematic map. This is the bivariate thematic map, and you can use this map to compare two data sets with each other. It'll default to setting you breakpoints here, which you can then customize by moving them up and down or left and right by adjusting those X and Y axes. When you click OK, you can view all of your territories that fall in those set ranges here, set by your breakpoints. You can also change your breakpoints manually by typing in those numbers here, and you can also change the colors of all four quadrants here in the top. Any thematic map that you can view on your screen, you can also export, and you would do that by clicking on Tools, and you can export it as a high-resolution PDF map. You can save it as an image file, or simply copy it to your clipboard and then paste it anywhere else that you would like. And there you go. You've just learned how to use the thematic maps here in AlignMix.